keep breathing with hands on my neck. I scream, but the grip it holds on, no reason. I'm trapped in my head, defeated. I've never felt this. The voice in my face screams violence. The grip it holds on, no reason. I'm trapped in my head, defeated. I've never felt so
Hello, thanks for watching the video. I chose to do this track because I thought it'd be really cool to do a hybrid of the two drum parts. So Caleb tracked the drums on the album, and then also Connor, he plays it live. I'm a huge fan of Connor's, so I thought it'd be really cool, to do a hybrid of both their parts. If you would like a free copy of the PDF transcription, subscribe to the channel and get in touch with me via Instagram or email me, and all those details are in the description box below. Enjoy your day, take it easy, thank you.